Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Snapchat password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by going to your profile page on Snapchat. Tap the settings icon from the top right. In Settings, tap Password. You will need to enter your current password here first to continue. You can then enter your new password and then confirm it in the second text box. Tap Continue once done. Your Snapchat password has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.